Yeah. But I've been going through a lot. And I haven't seen you guys in over 2 years now. And I was just talking to him, I said, you know, it'd be really nice getting to the spousal visa and get him to America so he can see my country and where I come from and how it is where I live.
Yay! That'd be super cool. That would be super cool, for real.
Well, I mean, let's see.
I know that the borders are gonna be opening up here pretty soon. I don't know like the total logistics of everything, but Renee and I wanna come out and spend time with you guys, especially as a married couple. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it's looking more likely maybe coming to visit.
Yeah.
If everything goes well.
Oh my God, Christina. I'm so excited, I'm so happy, I'm praying that she can come to India. How happy that will make me, nobody will understand. And maybe Samir will see how happy I am with, you know, going around and maybe I can get everything is going great, everything is fine, except, you know, Samir did ask me if I wanted to do one weird thing, like I'm not too cool with, but he wants to actually take like a